lawsuit has been launched to avoid the loss of 100,000 employment-based green cards. The latest news addresses that if the US Citizenship and Immigration Services is unable to adjudicate the same by September 30, the end of the current fiscal year, as many as 100,000 employment-based green cards could go unused and wasted. As the clock ticks down, a lawsuit has been launched to prevent such wastage. This is, by the way, the first complaint filed in the wake of UR Jaruo nomination as Director of USCIS. For Indians and Chinese, the stakes are enormous as the wait for an employment-based green card might last decades. The plaintiffs are 125 Indians and Chinese nationalists who applied for permanent status with their dependents before December 2020. One of them is Dr. C, an Indian citizen who has been waiting for her I-485 to be approved since October 2012, a nearly 9-year delay. The plaintiffs have asked the district court in Maryland to require USCIS to adjudicate their applications as soon as possible and or to order USCIS to reserve this additional visa numbers. An abnormally low number of family-based green cards were approved in the fiscal year 2020 due to the pandemic, according to the court complaint, leading unused family-based visas to roll over into the employment-based category in fiscal year 2021. This established a one-of-kind opportunity and duty for USCIS to approve more employment-based green cards than usual in fiscal year 2021, dramatically reducing the decades-long wait for Indian and Chinese candidates and their employers. USCIS said in October 2020 at the start of the fiscal year that it will accept applications from thousands of Indians and Chinese nationals who had previously been waiting years, some for more than a decade. Their moment had finally come. However, once it became evident that USCIS had no plan or intention of processing these petitions in a timely manner, the delight and relief swiftly turned to anxiety. The objection is meaningless since if USCIS does not process employment-based green card petitions within the 2 months of August and September, these extra visa numbers rolled over from the unused family category will be wasted. As a result, the already enormous visa backlog will worsen and plaintiffs will have to wait years or decades longer to be eligible for residency. The lawsuit alleges it frequently cited a report by David J. Beer, an immigration policy analyst at the Cato Institute in Washington, who stated that the employment-based green card backlog for Indians had reached 7.41 lakh in April 2020 with a projected wait time of 84 years. The I-485 application is the final step in the process of getting a work-based green card. The wait for the people of India and China to have their applications processed is excruciatingly long because there are only a specific amount of green cards available per category and a 7% per country cap. We feel duped by the immigration system and the harsh treatment offered by USCIS staff, Dr. C and her husband, who is also a physician, said. The children are left with no choice than to apply for student visa or be deported to India. According to Beer's research, 1.36 lakh children from Indian families are stuck in the between EB2 and EB3 employment-based green card backlog, with 62% of these children growing up without a green card, given that USCIS had ample notice of the increased number of applications for fiscal year 2021. And that these visas needed to be educated by the end of the fiscal year or they would be completely wasted. It is unreasonable that the agency made no plans to process these applications in a timely manner. That's all for today. Now this is Palak Gupta signing off. If you like the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.